Hey, this is Dr. Grażyna Padziunen and Tony Padziunen. I have a PhD in electrical engineering and I have worked in the biomedical field for over 25 years. My son Tony is a certified health coach. You have not heard from us for some time, but we want to share something very exciting about what's happening in our lives. We have developed a system that helps people to increase joint mobility and reduce chronic discomfort in as little as 3 to 6 months without surgery or medication. A lot of people are using it with amazing results, and we are very excited about it. Here is the story of our friend Barbara, who called us recently to let us know the great news about her elderly mother. She went from tears to joy. Her mother, who could not brush her teeth or dress by herself, in just 4 months, without surgery or medication, regained her independence. She does not have to hire a caregiver anymore. I felt like crying myself. These types of stories make us very happy and give us our life purpose. If you wake up stiff with a lot of discomfort and want to get up in the morning without discomfort, this is for you. If you feel like your cartridge is gone and you want to rebuild it, this is for you. If you want to participate in your favorite sports again, this is for you. If you want to be discomfort-free and enjoy your life again, this is for you. Most importantly, our method is focused on solving the core problem of why our joints and connective tissues in our bodies start to degenerate. Most of the other methods developed are just focused on removing symptoms. Even if you replace one joint, if you do not resolve the reason why your joint starts to degenerate, soon other joints start to bother you. Then you may start having a problem with your eyes, gums, internal organs, etc. That's why it is so important to understand the reason behind what is happening as we age. We will share this method with you on our webinar on Thursday, May 2nd at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Just click Learn More and register. You will find out the core reason about why our joints degenerate. We will be sharing why our method is so unique and why it works, while so many other methods fail. We are going to share many other examples and you will be able to ask questions. If you are one of many people who have a problem with joint mobility or joint discomfort, or know somebody who does, just click Learn More and register for our webinar. We are looking forward to seeing you at our webinar on Thursday, May 2nd at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. It can transform your life.